special. Call 952-ZERO-RES or online ZeroResMinnesota.com.
Honor.
What?
Hey.
What?
Can you please give this to Megan?
Yes.
Thanks.
Cuz. Oh. It fell down.
Careful.
Get in the way back machine.
Honor.
Oh,
Not for
Careful.
the song,
I will.
but for the song title. We're going way back to name this tune, and if you could, that would be Smashing.
In half a mile, the destination is on your right.
Okay, I think I can name that tune in 2 seconds.
Oh, I also said 2 seconds. Come on, name that tune.
I am like striking out today.
See, but we both know the artist. We just don't know the
No
name of the
food.
song.
We're talking about food. What happened to fruit salad yummy yummy? Give me that.
Sorry.
A hot potato from the Wiggles.
But that's not.
I know. I'm just
Yeah.
being a baby. Okay. I don't know.
Time's out.
Okay, I
Time's
know
up.
the band is Smashing Pumpkins.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
But I don't know the name of the song, but I get the point anyway.
The song is 1979. All right, moving on to the next round.
I'll tell you that Billy Corgan guy is the scariest looking dude I've ever seen.
He's really cool, though. He does like an interview podcast where he
Oh, does
interviews
he?
other rock stars. He's actually very down to earth and really cool.
Terrifies me.
Okay, next one. These are all
Destination is on your right.
artists with some sort of food in beneath the Stone Arch.
Bailey, I think I can name that tune in 2 seconds.
All right, I said 2 as well, but name that tune. I was like, no, there's no way.
I don't. This is the worst round of name that tune I've ever played. I'm not even. I don't know.
Because it's the Red Hot Chili Peppers.
Think of his clue.
Beneath the Stone Arch.
Bridge,
Beneath
and
the Stone Arch.
river, the Mississippi.
If you were going to transpose those words, beneath the Stone Arch.
The
Oh,
Arch.
what the heck?
BTSA.
No.
What?
Transpose, not abbreviate.
Yeah.
Under the bridge.
Yes.
Under the bridge.
Transpose, baby.
Nice job.
All right, kids, now comes the fun part of the game.
Yeah.
You get to choose between what song you want to hear. Spice Girls, To Become One. Black Eyed Peas with JT, Where Is the Love? Cranberries, Linger. Smashing Pumpkins, 1979. Blind Melon, No Rain. Sugar Ray, Every Morning. Vanilla Ice, Ice Ice Baby. Or Red Hot Chili Peppers, Under the Bridge.
I feel like this is the cool and white version of Name That Tune. And I'm going to go, if I may, I'm going to go with Linger by the Cranberries.
Do it. And here you go. The good news is, Bailey, I've got the album version.
Oh, yeah?
The album version, not the short
God.
radio version.
Woo!
It's 5 minutes of the Cranberries.
Woo!
You never hear this except on Cities 97.
I can't wait.
Don't shoot.
Thank you.
Sorry.
You're welcome.